Hello everybody and welcome back to the Time's Ticking YouTube channel. My name is Jake, and in today's video I wanted to talk about the Tissot T-Touch and what it actually is. So stick with us through this intro and we're going to be talking about this luxurious smartwatch with you. Quartz watches sometimes get a bum rap in the world of watchmaking. This isn't that surprising, however, due to the watershed introduction of quartz in the 1970s. Quartz was and still is cheaper to build and typically more accurate than mechanical timekeeping, so it became popular. So much so that mechanical watchmaking took some big hits through the late 20th century. While modern quartz critics are frequently referred to as snobbish in online watch forums and blogs, we here at Time's Ticking happen to reserve a professional respect for both quartz and mechanical engineering. Combining a history of traditional creation with quartz innovation is the brand Tissot. This includes one of their most popular wristwatches, the T-Touch. Tissot brought their name and watchmaking prowess into the 21st century with tactile flair by releasing this piece. While some were surprised to see this long-standing watchmaker deliver a quartz watch with touch-capable functions to boot, many were refreshed by its forward-thinking design at a fair price tag. 20 years after the original release, it still sells incredibly well. Aside from a few fresh coats of paint and tweaks to the inner workings, it's remained relatively unchanged after 2 decades. One touch of a button on the Tissot T-Touch gives way to accessing 6 key features on the watch. Before the touchscreen times out, within about 5 to 6 seconds, one can begin accessing the compass, barometer, temperature readout, the alarm, and the chronograph. Once all of those features are set to the wearer's needs, the touch capability goes into a locked standby mode. It's an ease of use that allows for simple time setting alongside dialing in the more adventurous features. The barometer function is linked smartly to the altimeter function of the T-Touch. Needing some fair scrutiny in terms of functionality are the altimeter and the temperature readout. With the altimeter, it has to be set to the current altitude of the wearer. On top of that, if one wants an accurate temperature readout, it's important to remove the watch to avoid affecting the function with body temperature. Otherwise, setting the time, date, alarm, and stopwatch are essentially the same as setting a digital watch. Tissot's T-Touch has an ana-digi readout, in fact. The hands act as part of the compass feature, as well as a simple redundancy for time telling. Appearances are fairly standard for a men's stainless steel wristwatch on the T-Touch. While there are a few stylistic and strap variants, what we've covered in today's video still holds up for both 2000s T-Touch watches and today's models. Staying on top of multifunctional digital and combining it with Swiss watch engineering has paid off well for Tissot. It's still one of the most searched and purchased men's watches globally. With a roster that now features the T-Race, T-Touch Expert, and T-Touch Expert Solar, yep, they even come with solar-powered movements, the Tissot T-Touch watch got on its feet when the Swiss watchmaking industry was bouncing back from the quartz revolution. Most models cost under 1K, making them more accessible than other Swiss watches. Continued popularity may see new variants in this ubiquitous watch model. Until then, the tried and true is still a testament to the ever-changing evolutionary world of watchmaking. So what did you think of this watch? Let us know down in the comments below, and for any future updates on the Tissot T-Touch, make sure to stay in touch.
Wow, thanks again for watching our YouTube video today. If you've really enjoyed it, we actually have a couple more videos available just right here and right there. On top of that, our entire channel is at your disposal, and if you subscribe by clicking the link that's right next to me, we'll give you the latest update on our most recent videos. So, thanks again for watching, and we hope to see you again.